Hi everybody, Tim here. Well, I've gone and done it again. I've done what's, I guess, a little more challenging, something that's a little more adventurous. I left the I-90, which would take me through the Cascades and head east, and I've gone off on what's called the John Wayne Pioneer Trail in the Iron Horse Park. I'm not sure, I think it's Iron Horse Park, State Park. And I'm taking this trail, it's actually right over there. It's an old railroad trail. I think it was the Milwaukee that the state has turned into a bike and hike and equestrian trail. So I've decided to take it instead of the I-90 for a while. It goes almost parallel to the I-90, but it kind of gets you out in the wilderness. Last night we did a little stealth camping. I decided couldn't make it to a campground. I think there are supposed to be a couple campgrounds, but didn't make it, so the dogs and I set up camp. Where are you going, Cooper? I don't think they're used to being off leash so much. I think Cooper has to take care of his business. Yep. So anyway, we're taking this trail. It's a railroad grade, so it's not real steep. I think it was an electric line. I think they actually had electric rail that came through here. It's hard packed gravel in the most places, so I haven't had any problems yet. And we set up camp last night, or yesterday evening, right before sunset. You can see the old wood from the railroad trestles and from things that they've taken down. But they have left a lot of the railroad trestles and bridges up, so it's really neat. Got the new tent from REI. I really liked it. This is the first night using it. Leaving it up for a little bit while the sun comes out to dry it out, get the dew off of it. But it has much more room than the other tent that I had inside. A little more, took a little longer to set it up just because it was the first time. But I think once I get used to it, then I'll be able to set it up rather quickly. But I like it. I like the design. This is the REI Half Dome 2 Plus. So it's a little more rugged, I think, than the other tent. More room. I got one of the 2016 National Park Service Centennial editions. But it worked great last night. Wasn't too difficult to set up. Lots of room. The dogs liked it. But this was where we were last night. Haven't seen anybody yet. I think this area was used for construction work, and she's doing her business too. You can see the mountains up there. So we're going to take this trail for maybe a day or two. I think I've got enough food for about 3 days. and water. And it goes through a tunnel that's going to be really cool. I think it's a couple miles long, I've heard about, so I look forward to that. And eventually we'll get back up onto the 90 on the east side of the Cascade mountain range and just keep heading east. So I like it out here. I like, yesterday I saw a few bikers and hikers. Other than that, it's been really nice and quiet and peaceful. Just fixed breakfast and let everything dry out, and then we're going to pack up and get back on the trail.